What is the best outdoor projector screens? Here are my full reviews of the best outdoor projector screens. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Elite Screens Yardmaster 2 Series. Elite by name, elite by nature. This is the best outdoor projector screen going right now. With an excellent quality cine white screen which wipes down easily should it get dirty, the picture quality is further enhanced by an optional black backing which will stop light coming through, handy for watching while the sun is still lowering. The screen is also mildew resistant, preventing an unpleasant surprise when you dig it out next summer after a few months in storage. The strong aluminum frame is slightly heavy, the whole kit weighs around 10 kilograms when assembled, but remains firmly portable, and the weight gives a real sense of quality and sturdiness. This isn't going to get bent or damaged easily. It's not just the unit itself that is high grade though. The included carry case is excellent for transporting this around, or tidy storage when not in use. The case is designed for the screen to be folded up, which can lead to it becoming creased, but the tension in the screen once it's snapped onto the frame should soon iron this out. However, you may choose to roll it up instead to prevent creases. The aluminum frame also enables a range of options, allowing you to leave the legs off to hang it or attach it to a fence or even your wall inside when the weather isn't favorable. The Yardmaster 2 is a versatile, professional, and robust screen that helps to get the most from your projector and available in a range of sizes that will suit any situation. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Como Gear Inflatable Projector Screen. The Como Gear Jumbo screen may look like a bouncy castle, but it's a serious bit of kit. With a huge screen area of almost 5 meters diagonally, this can give you a gigantic picture worthy of the top projectors. The screen is fully detachable to allow for cleaning, and the guy ropes and stakes fix it to the ground, meaning you can watch up without replicating the scenario with your screen by having your screen gets blown up into the sky by a gust of wind. It's also really simple to set up, just attach the pump and it's inflated in 5 minutes, so no fiddling around with putting a stand together. However, it may not be the most mobile. The pump requires constant mains power, so it's one for the garden or the use of a generator rather than one which can pop up anywhere with a portable projector, which may not be able to fill the screen size either. While the fan isn't particularly loud and will be far away from you, having it constantly running might mean that you need to use external speakers rather than the ones built into the projector, which are usually only 5 to 10 watts, especially if using rear projection. Packing this away small can be a little tricky, but manageable with a bit of practice, and deflating is just as quick as inflating. It's definitely one of the best projector screens going on that sheer awesome size alone, almost, and one that promises family fun every bit as much as a bounce house, and huge enough to create an amazing outdoor cinema. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Vankyo Stay True Projector Screen. If you want a true budget option for the best outdoor projector screen, then there are dozens of solidly reviewed projector screens on all the usual sites which come without frames, enabling you to build your own or set them up tied to conveniently placed trees or fences. But one step up from that is this great entry-level outdoor stand from Vankyo. It'll save you having to DIY your own frame or buy in materials to make a stand. The extra expense for the convenience, and the ability to pack down the frame and easily carry it, is well worth it. Advertisement. The stand clips into place easily, although fitting the bungee cords to the sides of the frame can be tricky and require a second pair of hands, and looks less tidy than the clip-on approach of more expensive screens. Once in place, however, they stretch out the screen for a perfectly flat screen which provides a great picture. The frame is also sturdy, especially when used with the guy ropes to hold it in place. It also supports rear projection, although this means it may let a little more light through and be harder to watch while the sun is still out than a screen with a black backing. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Como Gear Portable Projector Screen. Como make gear for the outdoors, and the frame of their 100-inch projector screen does seem a little like a tent frame. It's set up in a similar way to a tent too, with the tension in the poles stretching the thick material of the screen out to 100 inches diagonal. While it may look a little fiddly, it can be set up within 10 minutes and packed down in 5 once you get used to it. It's lightweight and packs away easily, making it a fantastically portable entrant in the best outdoor projector screen conversation. The wide, Flat base can be fixed to the floor with pegs or heavy items on it to keep it stable and ensure it doesn't blow away, but it is a little odd that something which looks perfect for the campsite doesn't come with guy ropes. The top of the screen can sag slightly if the tension in the setup isn't strong enough, but even if this occurs, it's usually only an issue in the frame and not on the image itself. Advertisement. This is the perfect screen for a camping trip or when out on picnics. So easy to carry once it's folded away, you won't struggle to juggle it with everything else you need to take, and it comes in at a reasonable price. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Pyle Portable Projector Screen. The great outdoors doesn't always mean out in the grass. We've all spent camping trips stuck inside tents or an outdoor wedding sat in a marquee as the rain hammers down, particularly on the British side of the Atlantic. But with the Pyle Portable Projector Screen, you can still get great images even if you can't venture out for your barbecue or to sit around the fire, ideal if you've got kids to keep entertained. It'll still work well outdoors, although it lacks fixings that would stop it from being blown over. Advertisement. There's no frame to worry about, it's simply a cylinder that rolls out a 40-inch projection surface that can rest on any stable base, a table or even just the floor. It's one of the easiest setups you could imagine. It offers a 4:3 ratio, so is more suited for TV than cinema, although of course, you can still use it for 16:9 images with bars at top and bottom. The screen is heavy duty and both stain and mildew resistant. Maybe it's not the big outdoor cinema experience, but for truly portable entertainment which everyone can gather around, this is a really handy entrant on this best outdoor projector screen list. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.